Welcome to the Information Systems orientation part of your orientation. I am Mike McGee. I am a team member of the Information Systems Department here at FranU. In my short conversation with you today, I'm going to talk about support services that we offer you that can help you with issues that you may come up with during your term and taking your courses with that. With that being said, I do want to point out one important thing in regards to security. You should always, once you set your unique password, always keep that only to yourself and no one else. Once you set your unique password, that password is only set for you. We will never, in our support department, ask you on the phone what that password is. We will never send an email requesting you to log in with that password, nor would we send any kind of text message in regards to that. Remember, there's a lot of people out there just doing what's called phishing, trying to get that password from you. If you ever have an issue with the password and cannot use it to log in for any reason, please call our 526 FRAN, F-R-A-N, support phone number and get them to reset back to a temp password so that you can go in and make it unique again for you. This also is important in cases where you want to for any reason that you may feel that your password has been compromised. With that being said, I'm going to talk about some more services that we offer for you too that can help you get a quick answer to your support questions. I'm going to go ahead now and display the portal for FranU up here so that we can take a look at some things with that. One that I've already mentioned for you that is a great way to get a quick answer for issues with password or simple issues that you may find working with the different applications in your courses is using the 526 FRAN, F-R-A-N, phone number to call in for support questions and answers. If they cannot help you directly on the phone, they will get as much needed information that we can to help you solve that issue and open a support ticket where our team on this side of the university during the day will reach out to you and work with you directly to see about getting these issues corrected for you. Another way that we can also help you too is during the day while you're on campus and you're in St. Francis Hall, we have a technician that's working behind the bar area that's located at the bottom of the staircase where the elevators are located. There is a button there you can push that will ring them to come from their office and come out and meet you to discuss the issue that you may have with that also too. Another great way of finding out how to do a particular process or anything that has to do with the university and applications is we have a great library of documents that are PDF documents that have screenshots as well as step-by-step guides on how to do simple tasks here at the university. Some that I think offhand that you'll be using to start off with will be setting up your Office 365 inbox for your FranU emails that you receive on a smart device such as an iPhone or an Android phone. The simple way to get to all these documents is to, as you see here as I'm moving it over to documents and move to the student document library. Here you will see that this is broken down by departments. So you can simply move through these different departments and find the one that's good for you. For example, here is the Information Technology Department, and as you see, here's one on email configuration, on general on my portal, on the Office 365 applications. And then one here is, I like to always refer to as the reference. Here we see one for the student reference sheet. This is a quick guide once you're a new student here to actually have something that gives you a little general overview of everything that we have to offer you with some quick tips on everything. A great idea is to open this, download it, and save it to your workstation or laptop. This is something after the first couple of weeks you'll certainly get used to everything that we have to offer, and this is something that you can just keep as reference. I would also suggest too, as you learn something and you want to download some of these, save these onto your workstation or laptop so that you can easily get to these when needed. Some other services that we offer here for you also too is we have a Wi-Fi that's set up just for you as the students. The name of this Wi-Fi is called FranU. So when you go out to search for this, you will log into it the first time. You will use the same user ID and password that you do to get into the portal. Once you log in the first couple of times, it will remember you. And as when you move on campus, it will automatically log you into the FranU Wi-Fi. You will also notice that the FranU Wi-Fi will work from the parking lots of the university also too. We have outside Wi-Fi antennas for this specific purpose for you. With that, another thing that we have for you also too is we have a loaner laptop service here at the university. So if you find that you're having a broken laptop or workstation or an issue and you're having an upcoming test or some homework that really needs a time crunch to get completed, you can call the 526 FRAN support number and make a request for one of these laptops. These laptops are already configured and ready for you to use, and we will reach out to you and have a meeting place that we can get you the laptop. The initial time that you get with the laptop is 2 weeks, but if you find that you need it for a longer period of time, just simply reach back out to us and we will extend that time for you with that. Another thing that we offer for you in the way of software is Office 365 suite of programs by Microsoft that you can install down to either your Mac or your Windows device. And the easy way to get to this, and I suggest everybody take advantage of this, is here on the portal you go to more links. These links are now alphabetized and shows all of them that we have here at the university. And you click on the Office 365 dashboard. Once this comes up, there is a side button here called for apps. You click on apps and you come over here to the top right hand corner where it says install apps. And this will allow you to download the apps to your workstation or laptop. As a student, we give you 5 copies of this. So if by chance you have more than one laptop or workstation, you are welcome to install these down to your workstation. As you notice on the screen here, you also see the Microsoft suite of apps right here also too. This will allow you to come to the university and log into a university workstation and actually use this app in what's called a cloud application. So this way that you can get to your OneDrive and get to these applications and work directly from within your own user ID and store them to your own OneDrive, which we have assigned to you as a student with this. So I would strongly suggest that you do take advantage of this system, especially these applications, and to do download them with that. Please remember that we are here to support you and multiple ways that we can help with that. Also too, Our systems are designed to work with either Apple or Microsoft Windows laptops. I strongly suggest that you do keep up with your updates on these operating systems. We find that these operating systems, when they're up to date, work at their optimum when dealing with the different applications that we have here for you at the university with that. One part of my job function here, being the application administrator of the university, is keeping all these applications updated for security as well as functionality with that. One last tip I should give you is also to the browsers on these different applications, say like in Apple and also with Microsoft on their side. I would have, and all our applications work through an internet browser. So I would have not only the ones that come with Microsoft and with Apple, but you might want to also download Google Chrome and have it installed as a secondary browser. Sometimes I find that one of the basic issues that you may have sometimes is that the browser is having an issue doing some functionality within something like the Moodle Learning Management System or with Wolftracks for your academic record with that. So please keep that in mind. Another thing that you might want to do as housekeeping also too is occasionally clear the cache on your browser with that. Sometimes that can cause an issue that I find with that also too. With that being said, enjoy your orientation and thank you.